nose ain't no excuse for a Frenchman.
And when I get lonesome and I count the stars, and listen to the Russian and count the colors down there.
And that June rise, y'all know what's left for me. Up in the wood, that's where the good times be.
We be speculating. We be speculating. We be speculating.
And when it rains, rains are all furious. Right as God's breaking.
Everything's smiling in the sun with the songbirds just going in, and the nice breeze springs up. It's so lovely.
We be speculating. We be speculating. We be speculating.
What is this contraption?
Shh. Watch the presentation.
Well, if it ain't just the same old Huckleberry thing. Is that really you, child? Oh, I can't believe it. You came back for old Jim.
What's the matter with you, Jim? Always been away.
Well, haven't you been away? With the fog and the towhead, you saying ain't none of that ever happened?
Must have had some about it.
Well, how am I gonna dream all that in 10 minutes?
I don't know. Something on the brain. Tell me all about it.
Oh, well, in this here dream, it's like a warning, Huck. You make darn sure of that. The towheads is like men who's gonna try to do us some good, but ain't none of them gonna help no how. 'Cause that current, another man, he gonna keep us away from help. And I was a whooping and a hollering for you, that there's like a warning. But if we keep our own business and keep a heading down the river, we'll wake up someday in a free state. And we'll have no more trouble.
You once asserted through the image of the life on the raft that the state of nature is a reality, and that Huckleberry and Jim are the distinctions between the individual and the society.
You're partly correct, but by putting Jim and Huckleberry on the raft, they learn without the flaws of society, moral right from wrong. And by being isolated and developing a moral value system, they learn the flaws of society through the characters that they meet on their journey.
Huck, what exactly is French?
Well, French people speak.
Well, why don't they speak like us?
They just don't.
Well, that's just plain stupid. I mean, why? If I'm a human and they're human, why don't they speak like we do?
Is a cat a cow?
Well, what do you mean? A cat's different from a cow by a dang long shot.
Yeah. Well, they still speak differently.
Yeah, they do, I guess.
That's just their way of speaking.
But a Frenchman, is he still a man?
Yeah.
and you're still a man. So why are y'all trying to say that the Frenchman's like a cat? He's a man and we're a man. It's just plain wrong for him to be speaking like a cat.
You also stated that the truth of all virtues of civilization, respect, love, loyalty, generosity, and so on, are seen in Huckleberry Finn as properties of the state of nature. How would you respond to that?
Yes, that is correct. These properties of which you speak are most commonly associated with normal society. But I used Huck and Jim's journey through Southern society as a way for them to see its flaws and do the opposite of what they witness.
Yo, Huck, you're the dang best friend I ever did have. Yo, Huck, you're the dang best friend I ever did have. Yo, Huck, you're the dang best friend I ever did have.
Ah,
And so, Mr. Twain, many critics contrast your two ways of viewing the Mississippi landscape, the pastoral and the industrial, and that these perspectives approach a regional construction and lead to uncertainties both geographically and culturally for the characters.
I have researched these topics extensively, and I am appalled by your uncertainty in my accuracy. I am no Fenimore Cooper, but being from Missouri, I applied my knowledge of the region to the story. And by including the Mississippi setting, I have included its vernacular and local color. That was a good story now, wasn't it? Wasn't it?
Thank you.